Unlocking Idioms, Flying Solo in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we have a very exciting topic to discuss, the phrase, fly solo. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or come across it in everyday conversations. But what does it truly mean, and how can you use it in your own sentences? Stay tuned as we dive deep into this phrase and unlock its secrets together. Let's start by breaking down the phrase. Fly refers to the action of an aircraft moving through the air, and solo means to do something alone or by oneself. So, literally, to fly solo would mean to fly an aircraft alone, without a co-pilot or instructor. This is a significant milestone for pilots in training, as it marks a moment where they are deemed capable enough to handle the aircraft on their own. In everyday language, however, fly solo is often used figuratively to describe someone taking on a challenge, responsibility, or task all by themselves. It implies a sense of independence, courage, and the ability to manage things without assistance. For instance, if someone starts a business by themselves, you could say they are flying solo in their entrepreneurial journey. Now, let's look at how to use fly solo in sentences. 1. After years of working under a renowned chef, Maria decided it was time to fly solo and open her own restaurant. 2. When his band members decided to take a break, the lead singer chose to fly solo and released his own music. In both examples, fly solo is used to express the idea of someone stepping out on their own to undertake a venture independently. And there you have it, the meaning and usage of fly solo. It's a powerful phrase that encapsulates the spirit of independence and bravery. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you now feel confident in understanding and using fly solo in your own English conversations. Remember, language is a journey, and you're doing great. Keep flying high, and see you in the next video.